This is female reproductive system. Let us revise it once. These are two ovaries. They are female reproductive organs. Ovaries are connected with the uterus on both sides by ovarian ligament. This is infundibulum part of oviduct or fallopian tube. These finger-like structures you can see, they are femori which catch the ovum. This part of oviduct or fallopian tube is called as ampulla, and isthmus which ends in uterus. Middle bag like structure, muscular bag, it is uterus. Uterus is divided into again three parts. The upper dome shaped part, it is called as fundus of uterus. The middle part is called as body of uterus, and the lower part is called as cervix. The lower end, त्याला आपण गर्भाशयाचं मुख म्हणतो, गर्भाशयाचं तोंड, it is called as cervix. It is muscular structure. Uterus is muscular structure. Outermost layer is perimetrium. Inner muscular layer is myometrium. The innermost blood vessel containing layer is endometrium. This is vagina part. Okay, it ends outside by vaginal opening, which is there are hymen as a penis like structure. It is the external genitalia of female reproductive organ. Cervical canal, it has two openings. One which open in towards the uterus is called as internal OS, and the one which open towards the vagina is called as external OS. So this is female reproductive system, and we are focusing on TS of or histology of ovary. Ovary is female genital organ. Okay, see in this diagram you can see the structure of ovary. Last lecture we saw this diagram, structure of ovary. This many number of follicles are seen inside the ovary according to its developmental stages. Okay, these same follicles you will observe in this diagram inside the book. See, now you can clearly see these structures. These small cells, they are called as egg nest. It is the very beginning stage of follicle. The next are primary follicle. Can you observe it? Primary follicle. Okay, it contains ovum and single layer of follicular cells. So this is primary follicle. Primary follicle develops into secondary follicle, double layered follicle. It is secondary follicle. Primary follicle undergoes meiosis 1, it forms secondary follicle. So secondary follicle, it contains secondary oocyte. Primary follicle contains primary oocyte. And this is completely developed Graafian follicle. Okay, this follicle you can see, this is ovum, this is antrum. The Graafian follicle contains the cavity called as antrum, and the ovum is present inside the antrum. It is covered with the cells, and these are follicular cells which secrete the hormones, estrogen. This follicle, mature follicle, it releases ovum in the process of ovulation. See the ovum from Graafian follicle released outside. It is called discharge ovum. When the ovum is discharged, the empty follicle get converted into corpus luteum. Corpus luteum is also secretory cell which secretes the hormone progesterone. If the fertilization do not take place, the corpus luteum get converted into corpus albicans. It is the dead body of corpus luteum. So here this is the beginning point of one follicle. Inside the follicle ovum is present. Ovum is released, follicle changes to corpus luteum and corpus albicans. So this is the end of the follicle. So here the ovum are not free like the male sperm. In the male reproductive system, the sperms are free. but ovums are not free. Ovums are enclosed in a bag, and this bag is called as follicle. Only one Graafian follicle get mature at a time in a female ovary on either side. Only one Graafian follicle develop and only one ovum is released. In the male, millions of sperms are released at one time, but in female, only one ovum is released in 1 month. In the 1 month of menstrual cycle, only one ovum is released, and when the one ovum is released, when corpus albicans is formed, then the starting of new follicle gets continued. Okay, so this is a cyclic process continuing in the female ovary from puberty to menopause. When the female girl is born, she has about 1 million of ovum, primordial follicles. When she get mature, she has about 40,000 of the primordial follicle, and among them one Graafian the follicles develop and ovum is released. So in the age of female, about 500 eggs are released in her lifetime, and all other eggs, all other follicles, they get degenerate. Okay, it is called as atrachial process. You can see this outer part of ovary, it is called as cortex. Cortex part of ovary contain follicles. The inner part of ovary, it contains, is called as medulla, and medulla, it contains mainly the blood vessels, lymph tissues, and follicles are present in cortex region, and this is germinal epithelium of ovary. From the germinal epithelium, the ovum get produced in follicle, but at the time of her birth. So you can see these follicles are present in the ovary in different stages of development, and it will enter in the fallopian tube. When the ovum is released, the fallopian tube will catch the ovum. Okay, and it will carried in the forward direction by ciliary movement. You remember, there are ciliary cells present in the fallopian tube, and these ciliary cells, they push the ovum forward in the fallopian tube. Thank you.